Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone? Today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Here is the quick simple review of the Pet Care Find. I am focusing on practical value, what it does, why buyers may like it, and the main thing to verify before ordering. The first thing that stands out is the feature set. The household large suction corded handheld vacuum cleaner can meet various household cleaning needs such as that can make it more useful in everyday situations. Foldable 90 degrees, very convenient to store and carry. The cordless design breaks space constraints, giving you. This is the kind of detail that matters more than the product photos. Ideal for car cleaning, it's the perfect car companion and gift option. For most buyers, that is where the value starts to show. The key positives are pet-friendly, easy care, and daily use. The one caution is simple: check the size, compatibility, and exact model before buying so expectations match the listing. My simple verdict: the Pet Care Find looks like a practical pick if the current price fits your budget. If this helped, link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.